Have you ever wondered what's in your credit report? Or maybe you're planning a big purchase and want to know your credit score. Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are curious about their financial health. And one of the easiest ways to get a snapshot of your credit is through the Transunion app. But how do you actually use it? That's what we're going to dive into today. Let's start with the basics. What is Transunion? It's one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States. They collect information about how you handle credit, like loans and credit cards. This information is then used to generate your credit score. Now, why is your credit score so important? Well, it's like a financial report card. Lenders use it to determine whether or not to give you credit and at what interest rate. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars over time. So, checking your credit regularly is crucial. Alright, let's get to the app. First things first, you need to download the Transunion app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information, like your name, social security number, and date of birth. Don't worry, your information is protected by strict security measures. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the app's main dashboard. This is where you'll find a quick overview of your credit score, recent account activity, and any alerts or notifications. It's like a command center for your financial health. Let's talk about your credit score. This is a number between 300 and 850, and generally, the higher the score, the better. The app will usually provide a breakdown of the factors that contribute to your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. Understanding these factors can help you improve your score over time. One of the most valuable features of the Transunion app is the ability to monitor your credit report for signs of fraud. Identity theft is a real threat, and keeping an eye on your credit report can help you detect suspicious activity early on. The app will often send you alerts if there are any changes to your report, so you can stay on top of things. Another useful feature is the ability to dispute errors on your credit report. If you find inaccurate information, you can use the app to initiate a dispute. This can be a time-consuming process, but the app can simplify the steps involved. Now, let's talk about credit monitoring. For a fee, you can upgrade your account to include credit monitoring. This means you'll receive alerts for any changes to your credit report, including new accounts opened in your name. It's an extra layer of protection against identity theft. It's important to remember that while the Transunion app is a great tool, it's not a substitute for good financial habits. Paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and managing your debt wisely are all essential for building and maintaining a strong credit score. The Transunion app can be a powerful ally in your financial journey. By understanding how to use it effectively, you can take control of your credit and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.